Welcome to my Babbage class. We are going to learn in this class how to write a program code for print prime number, check prime number, and also counting prime number. So, what is prime number? A prime number is a positive integer greater than 1 which is divisible by 1 and itself. In other words, prime number is a whole number greater than whose factors are 1 and itself. Example of first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, dot dot. The minimum prime number is 2. Before execution, let's see the program code. In this C program, we are going to count such prime numbers from minimum to maximum value which are given by users. Okay, C programs to print the prime numbers up to a given number. So this is the input function. Enter the first number, that means minimum prime number is 2. 2 is the first number, and the enter last number. Okay, so you can see this the for example where I here main value execute I equals to main, that means I value execute mean value to max value. So here you can see here flag equals to 0, that means if the program execution enter in for loop and if the condition is false then exit, that means flag is this condition is false then exit or flag value is not changed, and or if the flag equal to 0 and I values less than equals to 2, that and print the values of I and also count the count variable. Okay, if the prime number is not prime then flag equals to 1 or break, and again number is check, and again number is increment the value of j, and then condition is check. If condition is true then it's again break, and again increment the value of j, and if the check of j condition, and then check if condition. If the condition is false then print a function, print the value of I or I equals to 2, that means it's prime number. Okay, let's see the output. You can see at runtime enter first number 1 and enter last number 50. So 2, 3, 5, 7 all are prime number, and here total number of prime number is 15. So this is the prime number print program. Okay, so let's see the next. So in this C program we are going to check a prime number is prime or not. Okay, so this is the program code. Here enter the number prime or not, then input input value is stored in n, then in between for function execution, then if this is this code for not prime. Okay, if the number is not prime then flag is 1 and break, and again in this code. Okay, so if n equal to 1, that means we know 1 is a composite number or composite numbers which have more than 2 factors. That means all the natural numbers which are not prime number are composite numbers, as they can be divided by more than 2 numbers. For example, 6 is composite number because it is divided by 1, 2, 3 and even 6. Okay, in this program flag equal to 0, that means is prime number is prime number, and flag equals to 1, that means is not prime number. Okay, so this is the status flag variable. So now let's see the program code, that means output code. Okay, at the runtime we get enter the number for check prime number, where enter 7. 7 is a prime number. Another time run enter number for check prime or not. 15 is the input number, 15 is not prime number. Okay, or enter number for check from 1. Okay, 1 is neither prime or not composite number. So this is the output. So let's see the program execution process using Ubuntu terminal. First and all, enter in program code. Okay, so gedit program name dot c, enter in. So this is the program code. Here you can see the n I flag. This is the variable flag variable used for each status. if the prime number is prime, then flag variable is not changed. If the number is not prime, then flag equal to set 1. Okay, so this is the input. Enter the number of check prime number. This is the output function. Then using scanf function, input and values. Okay, so now in this for loop, the number insert n or check the number is prime or not. If the remainder is equal to 0, that means number is not prime, that means flag equals to 1. And also break, and again number is increment, and then if the condition is false, then if flag equals to also 0, then flag equals to 0, that means number is prime. We know n equals to 1. 1 means composite number. So now run this program. Okay, so first of all save or exit. So compile this program code, cc program name .c. Now enter this code. Now output. So you can see enter number for check prime number. Now we enter a number, just enter 5. Okay, just enter 5. 5 is prime. Yes, it's prime number. Okay, you can see 5 is prime number. Again run out. Then suppose 15, that means 25. 25 is prime. No, it's not prime number. 25 is not prime number. Okay, so again run another number. Suppose you can see enter 15. 15 is not prime number. Okay, so let's see the next program. Okay, in this program code we are going to count such a prime number from minimum to maximum value which are given by the users. Okay, where also count the number. So in the starting number is, that means first number is mean value in mean variable. Okay, and last number is max variable, and also using flag variable, and also count how many numbers are prime number. Okay, so let's see the program code. First of all enter the first number. Okay, then last number input, then mean values or max value also initialize this variable. Then flag. If the flag variable is not changed, that means is not prime. Okay, if the flag equals to 1, then number is input number is insert this for loop. And if the if condition is true, then flag equal to 1, that means number is not prime. And again increment the value. Then again check if the condition is true. Then if the if condition is false, then flag variable is not 1 and flag variable also 0. Okay, if the flag equals to 0 and I less greater than equals to 2, then the number is print and count 1. Okay, so this process again and again, and program is, so this program is run up to max values. Okay, so now save and close, then run this program. Okay, so now compile this program code. Okay, so compile, then output. So run this program out. Enter first number, suppose enter 1. Okay, so enter last number 15. 50. Then you can see 2 3 5 7 up to 47 is the prime number, and total number of prime is 15. So this is the output. Another output. So suppose you enter 3 30 or enter 50. So you can see the 31 37 41 43 47 prime number is 5. So thank you. So thanks for watching.